Here's our Royal Master TG-12-4, probably an early 80s machine. We're working on it, cleaning it. Had to rebuild this link here, this universal shaft to the regulating wheel. Probably the weakest point on this machine. Anyway, we had to rebuild that universal and redid the, sleeved, put some bushings in the outer holder there. There's the coolant pump, which works, but I've got it disconnected because the switch doesn't work, so that'll get fixed. Um, Not much left to do. We need to order a gasket for the wheel cover. Fix a couple of these switches. The coolant switch and the hydraulic switch need to be replaced. But otherwise, really a nice machine. Runs good. Here we go. Let's turn some power on. That's a diamond wheeled in there. The company ran a carbide job and went out of business and got repoed, and we ended up with the equipment. Anyway, there's the running of the machine. And it's got the two dresser heads. Diamonds look good. I've had those off and diamonds look good. So we'll turn on the hydraulic tank here, the pump. So there's the hydraulic unit. That's running. Just run a couple of There's the regulating wheel. And then the work wheel, work head, for a slow dress. There's the adjustments here. We'll run that back because I don't want to take the time. Everything feels real good. It's got, looks like the original 10th dial indicator on there. The coolant tank needs to be cleaned. I haven't gotten to that. The back of the unit actually has to be cleaned as well. That's pretty crusty back there. Coolant pump works fine, sounds good, just needs to be cleaned. So that's it on the Royal Master. We've got a KOE here with a work head on it. Looks like it's set up for a 5C collet holder. This machine runs good too. Nice machine. And we could run that for you if you like. Just call us back and we'll get it plugged in. So we got that machine cleaned up a little bit. And we got two of these Parker Majestics, 618 manual Parkers. Walker chuck on it, manual. New wheel hub, diamond wheel we can throw in. Nice machine, runs good, feels good. The backlash on the wheel head is about 1/10 total, which amazed me. So, but nice machine, runs really good. And we've got this number 3 jig bore, the Moore. That needs a bath. But all of these machines, these grinders I'm telling you about, are early 80s machines. We got this Okamoto 12 by 24 surface grinder, all automatic. Oh, we got something sitting on top of that. I think I put that shroud up there. It's just sitting up there. It's got the nutrifier, electromatic nutrifier. It's got the electric 12 by 24 chuck. I'm guessing it's a walker, I'm not sure yet. But, you know, pretty polluted, needs a bath. We got a Nikon projector here, surface illuminator, or surface optical comparator, I'm sorry. So an old one, but TC-14, nice, sturdy, you know, cast frame machine. Nice machine. Haven't gotten at that yet. We've got a second Parker, Majestic 618 manual. We've got that J&L Precision automatic lathe, an older machine, interesting machine. So that's it. Let's see, what else do we need to do on this Roal Master? Turn off this hydraulic unit. So I'm going to replace these two switches. That's pretty much what it sounds like. Nice machine. Runs pretty good. Now, if there's any questions, just give me a call. We'll answer your questions, or if you want us to run machines, or if you'd like to inspect them. They're in Sandy, Oregon, here in the warehouse. We can run them under power for you if you give us a little notice. We can schedule an inspection. That's it. Talk to you later.